We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave. And today I want to share with you the USDCAD custom projects, all 9 of them. Let's go check them out. We're on my blog, and here I'm going to show you where you can download them. I will link the blog in the description below. And this icon right here is where you can get all 9 projects. Okay, for the hour 1, hour 4, and daily charts, 3 different versions. And yeah, go check them out. Just remember that you're going to have to download EuroCAD and AUDCAD data. And so pick your data up first before you start uploading these. So we're inside of StrategyQuant X, and here are all 9 of those projects. So just remember that this is for IC markets. So if you try to open this and open one of these projects and you get an error, well, as the error is you probably just don't have the data. It's not a big deal. You just go to Data Manager, Dukascopy, add all those symbols. So you're going to need to add US dollar CAD, and then you're going to add Euro CAD down here, and then AUD CAD. So those 3. So 1, 2, and then 3. And so you're going to download all that data first. So remember, the IC markets broker profile, that's what we're using here. So if you just upload this, you're good. It's easy. But if you're using another broker from here, you got to pick one. You got to upload the same data. And then when you open the custom project, you're going to change the data to whatever broker profile you got. Thumbs up if you like these custom projects. I've got New Zealand US dollar to go, and then AUD US dollar, and that covers all the major pairs of forex, which should have everyone going on something. So yes, once again, press that thumbs up button. I appreciate it so much. Hey, thanks guys. Bye.